Hey everyone, this is Ketan from Said Commerce. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we are once again with another video on Etsy Marketplace. In our previous video, Why to Sell on Etsy, we discussed about the benefits that you will be getting while selling on Etsy. So here when we are through this, now let's know how to sell on Etsy Marketplace step by step in this video. Alright, to begin selling on Etsy, we need to go to Etsy.com and simply click on Sell on Etsy and then open your Etsy shop. Once we are successfully logged into Etsy.com, we'll be taken to the 5 steps onboarding process on Etsy. So the first step would be shop preferences. Let's know how to fill up with that. So here there will be the details regarding the shop language and country where you will be selling from, and then the shop currency in which you will be dealing your payments and billings. So on the shop preferences, you also get the option to choose the nature of your selling. So if selling on Etsy is your part-time job or a full-time job or so on, you can select it here. However, this does not affect the opening of your shop in any way. So once we are done with this, we'll click on Save and Continue, and this will take us to the another step where we'll be choosing a name for our shop. So here we can choose a unique name for our Etsy shop which can stand out amongst the eyes of our buyers. So for here, I'll go with the ornamental store, and we need to make sure that the name we are selecting is unique, and we need to make sure that it is available on Etsy.com. So I see that ornamental store is available. So by clicking on Save and Continue, we will be taken back to the third process, stock your shop. So in this step, we'll need to create a manual listing of our products. For this, we'll click on Add a New Listing on the page, and this will take us to the manual listing page. So let's see how to do that. So here on this page, we'll be adding up the title of our product, description, price and inventory, shipping options and other important details. By a proper listing, we mean an SEO friendly listing with proper tags. So as you can see that we have already uploaded the pictures of our product, which is handbag in our case. We have 5 pictures of the handbag here. After that, once we are through with the title, fill up and the other details of the products like the color of the product, category, type and description. A brief description is always preferred while being on Etsy, because descriptions has to have filled up with SEO so that it helps in the ranking of your product. Once this is done, we can move ahead to the tag section. We have 13 tags in number, so we have to be very sure while using these tags. So with these tags, it means that whenever anyone would be searching for your products on Etsy.com, the searches would be relevant to your tags and your product will surface up in the listing. Once this is done, we'll next move to the inventory and pricing detail, where we can set up the price of our product, then the quantity that we are uploading and the SKU number of the products. That's optional for now. We can also allow the restocking request. So if in case the customer is ordering your product and you do not have a stock, you'll receive an email from Etsy that someone is ordering your product and you need to upload your inventory on Etsy.com. After this, the delivery comes, where you'll select the delivery options like the dispatch, origin, processing time, how much time your product will take to reach your customer, and then the shipping charges of your products. So once you are through this everything, you can go ahead and click on Save and Continue. Etsy has its own seller guidelines for accepting the listings of your products. We have attached a link to all the guidelines to Etsy in our description. Make sure you go through them once so that your listing does not get rejected by Etsy. So once we are through this, the next step would be adding up the setup payment options, where Etsy will be sending you the money you earn by selling your products. So you'll be needing to add your bank details there so that Etsy can send you your payments that you are receiving through your products. And in the last step, which is setup billing, you'll need to fill up your credit card details, where Etsy would be charging you all the seller charges and listing charges that Etsy has for its seller. So once you are through this process, one of your listing will be visible on Etsy and your product will be ready to be sold on Etsy. So this was a video on how to sell on Etsy Marketplace. Also, last year Etsy came up with 2 new announcements, one for the Etsy ad and the other one for the Etsy's first page preferences for the free shipping products. We have a separate video for this. You can check the video right now by clicking on this link to know more about the announcements made by Etsy. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I hope I helped here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so the next time you get notified when we upload a new video. We'll be coming up really soon with another video of ours, which is what to sell on Etsy Marketplace, where we will be discussing the top prominent products that are sold on Etsy Marketplace. So see you soon.